one egg.
I'm not famished, I'm not hungry, but I want to eat this food. Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. Can't you say hi guys?
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So you guys, the kids are already on their Easter holiday. So today is Wednesday. As you can see, Kat is already sweeping. Chibeta is washing cartoon. I am cooking. Yes, I am cooking rice and beans before I head to my shop. Gosi is also inside working. So guys, we are up and grateful. Give all glory to God. So I don't know. I'll carry you guys along in the rest of my activities that I'm going to do today. Okay, please stay tuned, watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Okay, please don't make it your last. And for my returning subscribers, I love you guys. You guys already know that I love you so much. Okay, I'll be sitting down here because I'm editing a video. Okay, this video is going to go up today. In fact, now when I finish doing it, I'm already done with the thumbnail. Yeah, so I'm just editing my video. I just finished editing, like the part I've taken the light. If you can see, I'm sweating. Yeah, and I want to come check our rice. So my rice, beans, and fish is almost ready. I'll quickly go take my shower. And by the time I come, I'll just dish out the food and then I'll head to my shop. So you guys, here I am in the shop, and I forgot to vlog since I got to the shop. And yeah, I'm just so excited because this little order that I made just, got here. Just got here from Lagos, and I'm so excited about that. Okay, I'm just going to unbox and then call the owners because this is particularly for some customers. I'm just going to call them up to come and pick their order, or if I'm going to deliver, I'll do that. Okay, baby, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Look, I'm sweating, and there's light though. The fan is blowing, but I'm still sweating for some reason. I don't know. Yeah, this video is supposed to be, like spend the day with me, but the network was that bad. So, and light too. The heat was too much. Let me not just say it's the network. Heat today is on another level. The fan is even blowing hot at a point, but yeah, so that is why I couldn't complete the vlog. So we go again tomorrow. So I'm going home with my kids. Coco, say hi. Hi. Let me say hi. So hi from here. We are going home, and I'll talk to you guys later. I have shoe to one of the shoes I showed you guys earlier, one of the orders that came to deliver to one of my customer on our way going home. We deliver to her at a shop. Hi guys, good morning. I thank God I'm up and grateful. We are up and grateful. So God be the glory. I'm just waking up. This is 7 o'clock. I just went to ease myself and check time. 7 o'clock on the dot. Like I didn't sleep on time because of heat. Hi guys, so I want to make a quick breakfast for my family before heading to my shop. This is my miracle tea. This is lemon. This is lime. I boiled lime and dipped in together. This is the first thing that is going into my mouth this morning. this is outfit. Today is Friday, so I'm rocking this native. Yeah, I'll be using hair tie, but probably when I come down from my car, because as you can see I'm sweating, and I'm using this maroon slippers. So this is my leg. Okay, and I'm using this my handbag. Oh God. Here to drop my husband's food before I go to my shop. Help me to do what? Eh? It's not like today again, and I'm sweating. The time now is 12:48, and I'm about to eat, granite and this cucumber. This will be my first meal of the day. I came with my food, but I don't want to eat food now. I want to eat cucumber, and later in the day I'll eat. Or what do you guys think? Should I eat and then snack on this later? Okay, let me just eat my food. I'll snack on this later. Okay. Time to eat. I have to open my zip a bit because I'm feeling it. This clothes have zip down zip. Let me eat. So I'm not famished, I'm not hungry, but I want to eat this food. I'm hungry. Let me eat my food. It's time to eat. So this is what my food looks like. One egg, a fish, and yeah.